Welcome back. Today I'm showing you how I achieve this everyday makeup look using the new Huda Beauty Easy Blur foundation. Let's begin. First, I'm using the new Huda Beauty Easy Blur silicone free smoothing primer to prime my face. It's recommended that you use 2 finger length of product. This primer controls oil, smooth texture and blur pores, creating an airbrush finish to make your makeup last longer. Also, it can be worn alone or on top of skincare. Now let's apply the Huda Beauty Easy Blur foundation. This shade is Cinnamon, which is not for me, but I am going to show you how to fix a foundation shade that is darker than your complexion. To apply the foundation, I'm using the Huda Beauty contour brush. I am using the larger side of the brush where the bristles are densely packed to buff the foundation into the skin. As you can see, it is looking bronzy, but we are going to fix it. It gives a smooth, airbrushed look. To balance out everything, I am using Hourglass Concealer. This concealer is 3 shades lighter and I am applying a generous amount to the center of the face and under the cheekbone. Blending it out with Hourglass Concealer brush first before using the Beauty Blender. When using a foundation that is darker than your skin tone, you don't need to apply a bronzer or contour. using a beauty blender to finish blending out the concealer. Applying concealer at the side of the mouth and blending it out, taking it under the cheekbone as well. Applying another layer of concealer to make the under eyes a tad bit brighter. Going around the perimeter of the face and under the cheekbone with the brush we use to apply the foundation to ensure that we are not losing definition and everything is seamless. Next, I'm using Huda Beauty blush filter in the shade Peach Sorbet. This blush is also one of Huda's new makeup releases. Using the same beauty blender I used to blend out the concealer. Smudging out the lower lash line with a brown eyeshadow powder. And adding shimmer to the inner corners of the eyes to brighten them up. Then coat lashes with mascara. Set in the center of the face and under the cheekbone with Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Setting Powder in the shade Peach Pie. Using the Huda Beauty Easy Bake and Snatch in the shade Banana to brighten the center of the face. Fixing my brow hairs. Setting where I applied the liquid blush with MAC Peaches powder blush. For the lips, I am lining it with a brown lip liner and completing the look with Huda Beauty 4 Filler Honey Lip Gloss. Setting the face with Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. I really like this foundation. Leave a comment below letting me know your thoughts and subscribe for more makeup tips and tutorial. I see you in the next video. Bye.